Hi everybody, how y'all doing today? I just received my door side hanger headphone stand DFH4 through the mail today. Just came in today. I'm excited. They're double side headphones, so I can have my audio headphones sitting on one side and I can have my gaming headphones sitting on the other side. Now, here you got the door side hanger headphone stand. As you see the logo on the box. It's simple. Plain simple box, easy to install, nothing to go ahead on and get all excited about. The product costs $17.99 from eBay. I'll be putting that there link in the description below, so y'all can go ahead if y'all want to purchase them. Y'all can go ahead on. Now y'all probably saying, "Why I ain't ordered any adhesive hooks and hooking one inside of my computer desk?" That's the thing. I'll be changing out my computer desk real soon to an L-shaped butcher block style desk. I haven't found yet, but when I do, it'll be on and popping. But meanwhile, I ordered this just like I have my headphones sitting on the side, and that's comfortable for me because the reason why I chose them, I looked at a lot of creators and how they got their stuff set up, and I do not want my setup looking like other people's setup. I want my setup to be my own, something I could enjoy, so that I could just come home and chill and handle my business and do my create my videos, etc., etc., etc. I do a whole lot, so it's not like I just sit down here and create videos for a living. So let's go ahead and get into the product unveil. Alrighty, not bad, for $17.99, you can't go wrong with it. Alrighty, I like that. That nice. Got the little cushion inside, so it won't have to be no issues of how everything look. Alrighty, you got the bracket. Alright, you got a screw. Okay, you got the. I guess that's the top part of it. You got the little stand tube to hold everything in place. Alrighty, and the last but not least, a nice, heavy, solid base. It's not bad. Alright, everything looking nice and good. I like the way how the product look. It look good. I can't go wrong with it. And that's what basically ended the box. So therefore there go all the parts I need. Can't go wrong with it. So now let's go ahead on and assemble it. Alright everybody, this is the finished product. See how nice and good it look. You cannot complain about it. It looks nice, good and clean. Got my gaming headphones. I got my regular headphones sitting on it. It'll be nice, good and clean. So right now, It'll be sitting next to my gaming computer. Can't go wrong with it. Go ahead and bring that baby back into the foreground so you go ahead and see everything. Yeah, sitting right next to that bad boy desk, sitting nice, good and clean. So I ain't gotta complain about it. You know how it is. So I kind of like it. You know, I got something different that I like. You know, I want nothing looking like somebody else home. I want mine to be just for me. And this is what I like. I got both my headphones sitting up. I ain't got them hitting on the side of my desk. Well, I want them. They'll be sitting right next to my gaming PC. Everything looking nice, good and clean. I love it. I like how I look. I like how I sit. You know, can't complain about it. For $17.99, you can't go ahead and go wrong with it. So, just like I said, excuse me, sorry I heard that. Just like I said, that for $17.99, you can't go wrong with it. Just like I said, I like the little chrome finish. I like the stand. It wasn't too hard to hook up or anything. Quick, easy to assemble. You can't go wrong with it. So, y'all go ahead on and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the like button. And thank y'all for watching. Peace. Y'all have a good, wonderful, and great and blessed night. All right.